Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transition in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. You can add transitions in CapCut in between different clips. For example, as you can see, this is the clip here. And now let me import another clip here. And now as you can see, I have imported some different clips. And in that meet, you can see a white square with a line through it. What you need to do is you have to click on that and then we can go and choose the transitions. So these with the tag of pro, that means these are all the pro. We can't use it in a free version, so these are the free. You can choose all this overlay, camera, light effect or anything else, whatever you want. And now let's say for this second one, I'm going for this light effect and then I'm going for choose this floodlight. And now if you play the video, that's how you can add as many transitions as you want in these cuts. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.